Welcome to our interview preparation series. And today's question is, what is your biggest accomplishment? A thoughtful answer can demonstrate your skills, dedication, and impact. What is the importance of the question? Interviewers ask this question to see what you value, how you measure success, and if your achievements align with the role. Let us understand how to answer this question. First, choose an accomplishment that is relevant to the role you are applying for. Consider achievements that demonstrate skills and qualities the employer is looking for. Next, describe the situation in detail. Provide context to help the interviewer understand the significance of your accomplishment. Then, highlight the actions you took to achieve this accomplishment. Explain your role and the steps you took to make it happen. Finally, show the impact of your accomplishment. Highlight the positive outcomes and how they benefited your team or organization. Do's: share a success story and its positive impact and results. Connect it to your problem-solving skills or any strength. Don'ts: avoid saying, I purchased house at early age, I was house captain in school, I hosted events at school, college level, etc. Let's put it all together with an example. My biggest accomplishment was leading a marketing campaign that increased our company's online engagement by 50% over 6 months. The project involved extensive market research, content creation, and collaboration with the design team. I developed a comprehensive strategy, set clear goals, and ensured everyone was on the same page. The campaign's success boosted our online presence and resulted in a significant increase in lead generation and sales. This experience reinforced my ability to lead and execute successful marketing initiatives. And that's it. Remember, choose a relevant accomplishment, describe the situation, highlight your actions, and show the impact. Practicing your response will help you deliver it confidently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below with your own tips or questions. Thank you.